I'm literally only like 15 minutes away from the CDB of Sunshine Coast, which is Maroochydore.
The whole idea here is to, again, to touch the water as much as you can. It's freezing, but it's definitely worth trying. Yes, it's a bit slippery, but it's nice. It's good.
I just came out here by myself, and I was speaking to a photographer, and she's never been out here before. She's never done this whole loop before. It's a loop that you go through.
Have you been that way before?
Yes.
Where does that take you out?
To the big waterfall down there.
Oh, does it? Oh,
Yeah, just follow the trail.
I'll follow you.
It's a really not.
Confidence.
No, don't lose confidence. It's very easy. Is this your first time?
This April is the first time I've ever been here.
And actually this whole creek goes all the way to a whole other section further down. It's probably like 1 or 2 Ks down, and you follow the creek, which I haven't done yet.
Which I'm hoping to do, hopefully one day. But most people will come here with like with boots on or sports shoes, and I just came with slip-ons. In some areas, it is pretty slippery, so you've got to be really careful.
And summertime, this place will be absolutely packed. This whole place here will be full of people swimming. Yeah, it's beautiful. So I was just speaking to Jennifer and her friend. They're out taking photos. So again, this is the balance between technology and nature. Whoa, it's all right, I'll get it. It's okay. I saw a couple of teenagers in here before, just chilling and talking, but they didn't have their phones with them, so it was kind of like maybe it was like a little mini date. So now I'm basically gonna walk up the stairs. Now this is the difficult part because they haven't actually put anything else here, so you just basically got to use all these rocks to get up. And some people will just struggle getting up these stairs. I'm just crossing the bridge now. You know, once you start stepping into nature, you start noticing the confidence boost that we start getting slowly as well. So there's a whole bunch of things that's happening in our bodies when we step into nature. Hello.
Hello.
After you. That's the bridge that we were just on. When we're coming out to nature, what to take with us? Obviously water. We 100% take our phones no matter what happens. It's just what it is, you know? Sometimes it's good to put your phone on to airplane mode. And again, it's about connecting. You can have the connection or disconnection. But when you're in nature, we're connecting with all these trees and earth, and it's great to see people out here and they're enjoying it, they're laughing, they're having, you know, they bring their friends and family out here, and kids, children, you know, just to get away from the hustle and bustle is what they call it, just the fast-paced world that we're living in. Hello, hey, how's it going?
Good, thanks, how are you?
Yeah, good. See, everyone's, as soon as you step into nature, people are so happy and so friendly. This area here, it's a little resting area, and a lot of people will come out here just to listen to the sounds of the birds. And I mean, there's all kinds of places where you can go to experience nature, where it's a bit more quieter. The further you go out, the quieter it gets. I can hear a plane. You know, the further you go out, you don't hear that. Well, also, there is toilets just over there. Light and nature makes a huge difference to your whole system. There's like this repair system that's going on, a whole bunch of stuff. Maybe I'll put links below about light and nature and how much difference it makes to your system just being outside here.
So don't forget to take your glasses off when you're out in the actual forest. Yeah, it's a light thing. So thanks guys for watching.